Hello again. Right, as you can see, we have the new Hornby GWR Class 800 IEP sitting in front of us. This arrived today. Annoyingly, I missed the parcel force man, so I've just been to the local post office to pick it up. So we're going to unbox it. So I might turn it off and change the camera angles and things like that while we're doing it. But let's have a look. I thought it'd be a bigger box, if I'm honest. Don't know why, but yeah, we'll see. Right, so let's see how it comes. Alright, apologies about a little bit of glare on the camera. It's incredibly sunny outside. So in the other box we've got, looks like 2 polystyrene packs. So pull the first one out and we'll have a look at that. Right, so it's polystyrene, it's got holes in the back and there is a piece of card on the front which I will take some, so I'm just going to cut through that. Right, okay, this is the power cars. Turn it around because we're upside down. Right, so that's how they come. So in the polystyrene, although they've got the poke through holes around the back, and there's plenty of space to get your fingers in. So this one's heavy, so I would guess that this being the actual power car. Right, so there's the actual power car. So let's have a look. So it's, excuse the phone, so it's just in a sheet of plastic basically. Right, so there we go, nice and up close. Try and move my greasy paws. There we go, so the roof detail. Very, very nice detail. Right, the pantograph does kind of lift up, but it's very, very fragile. So the underneath, kind of got it upside down. So I'm led to believe the DCC decoders actually go in underneath, which if they do, that is a fantastic thing, because I've been saying that for ages, that why don't they make them so they go in from underneath. But alright, let's see if I can get this end to focus. Hopefully that's clear, so you can see the, can you see? Right, the coupler is very different. So it's sprung. I've not got the best camera for this, and it's not really light enough, is it? So there's that one, we'll put him to one side. Now I'll just get the dummy car out and just for the hell of it. So dummy car, obviously much lighter but equally as much detail. There's not sprung doors, which is fine because that's a pointless gimmick anyway. Okay. So there's that. There's the two power cars. Right, so there we go. There's the pack of 3 coaches. I'll just get one of them out. There's no point in getting the 3 out. So again, it's in the same plastic thing. Let's check that out of the way. So again, it is lovely detail. It's nowhere near as glossy as what the Class 43 is, which is kind of odd, but yeah. Right, so let's have a look at the coupling system. So it just looks like a simple don't go focus. You see that? So it's like just a push fitting, basically, like what you get on some DMUs and things like that. So, and that's it. That is in. Quite a nice close coupling. It looks fantastic. The roof detail is awesome, I have to say. That is very, very nice. Yeah. So I wonder how these come apart. Do we just pull them? I don't know. I'll have to have a look at that. Stuck together forever now, I think. Right, so the instructions that come with it look like the usual. Can I get that to focus a bit better? Right, yeah, so the instructions look like the usual 1 page, 1 sheet of A4 generic instructions. Okay, so there is a separate sheet for the lighting control and installing decoders and stuff like that. And then we've got, well, it actually tells you what order they should go in. I should have looked at that, shouldn't I, before I plugged it in. Maybe I've done it right. Who knows? Oh, I think I have. Yeah, I've done it right. Oy. Right, so yeah, it shows you it is underneath, so it shows you where to fit the DCC and a speaker should you wish to. I don't really like sound, so I'm not going to bother with that. Yeah, so that is basically it. It's just a quick video. I will get this done and then I'll probably make a separate running video once I've installed the DCC. I might come back to you in a minute and just show you the DCC sockets once I've worked out how to uncouple this. Right, so I've placed them both upside down in their box, and I've unscrewed 2 of these screws here. Just going to unscrew this 3rd one. And then hopefully that will just lift off, which it does. Okay, so there we've got a space for a speaker, and then we've got the DCCC. I keep saying DCCC, you know what I mean. Some huge capacitors there. Right, so we're going to take the blanking plate out. See how easy it comes out, very easy. Then we're going to fit our decoders. Right, so power car is done, decoder is fitted. Just going to have a look in the dummy car. So similar setup really, looks almost identical to the actual power car. Right, let's get the other decoder fitted, and then we'll maybe have a look at doing a bit of running. Alright, there we go. Just doing a bit of running in, letting it have a bit of a go. Right, so all the coaches, let me just take the camera off, hold on. Right, all the coaches actually have lighting. Can't really see it very well, so I'll turn the light off. And they kind of, let me see if I can. Yeah, so I think that's what the big capacitors are for on the power cars. Everything sort of, the lights kind of stay on for a little bit when you take it off the track, which is interesting. So the lighting is all good, it's all working on both power cars. It seems quite sensitive to dirty track. My track's not brilliantly clean. I give it a go over with the rubber every now and again, but there's quite a lot that's dirty. I need to do like a chemical clean, I think. So this does seem fairly sensitive to it for some reason, but hopefully it will just force me to clean my track a little bit more. Just move them down a little bit. Right, so there's a direct comparison between the 43 and the new 800. The Class 43 is definitely darker and more glossy. The IEP has got more of a matte finish, but I don't think it's not drastically different. You can also see the size difference there. The 43 is considerably taller from this angle. Actually, it looks worse on camera than it actually is. Right, so there's just another view of showing the tail lights. that's all you're getting for now. I will probably make some more videos of this once I've got the track sorted. It's very dirty at the moment because I've been ballasting and stuff like that. So that's the best I can do for now. But if you would like to see the previous video, click the top link. If you would like to subscribe, click the bottom link. Thanks very much.